So someone like that runs the marathon, recovery, when does the recovery have to kick in? Is it like the next day or a number of days after?
Well, how bad do you want to feel for how long? So the quicker you get in there, the quicker the recovery process is going to start. So the
Okay.
moment you have that run, you're taxing your body, and the taxing of your body is what's going to create the demand for the recovery. So I would prefer you to clean off your sweat and, take care of yourself like that before
Yeah.
coming in. But it's like the sooner the better. Usually, like athletes, like pro athletes, we're talking like NBA or NFL, game's over, they'll do some interviews, take a shower, and then usually after that they're doing some kind of like recovery work at that point, because you want to bounce back as quick as possible. And if you're not doing it, your competitors are going to do it, so you're giving them the pass to win a little bit as well.
That's very interesting. Okay.